Hello folks, the Galaxy S24 will be Samsung's next big launch, and the company is expected to bring several major improvements with its upcoming high-end phones. While the company isn't making major changes to the design, it will bring several quality-of-life improvements, including faster performance and longer battery life. The displays on the Galaxy S24 series are also getting a huge performance boost. According to one more rumor, the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra will get much higher brightness, reaching as high as 2500 nits. That's 42% brighter than the Galaxy S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. It is 25% brighter than the iPhone 15 series, which has phones that can reach a peak brightness of 2000 nits. Apparently, all Galaxy S24 series phones use Samsung Display's M13 OLED panel with LTPO for variable refresh rate. Currently, only the Galaxy S23 Ultra features an LTPO OLED panel, allowing the refresh rate to vary from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, depending on the content displayed on the screen. The Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus feature LTPS OLED panel, bringing refresh rates to vary between 24 Hz and 120 Hz. An upgrade to an LTPO panel will allow the display to lower the refresh rate when possible, allowing more power savings, thereby improving battery life. So, the Galaxy S24 series phones could theoretically offer longer battery life compared to their predecessors, thanks to more power-efficient OLED panels and bigger batteries. Samsung also seems to have improved the screen resolution of the Galaxy S24 Plus compared to the Galaxy S23 Plus. The Galaxy S24 Plus will reportedly feature QHD Plus resolution, a jump from the Galaxy S23 Plus's Full HD Plus screen resolution. This will improve the sharpness of content, especially text. The base Galaxy S24 could stay with Full HD Plus resolution though. The South Korean firm is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor for the Galaxy S24 Ultra globally. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus could use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chip in Canada, China and the US, while the other countries could get the Exynos 2400 versions of the phones. Samsung has already announced the Exynos 2400 but didn't reveal its detailed specifications. After pioneering OLED screens in laptops, smartphones, tablets, TVs and wearables, Samsung is now working on the next big groundbreaking display technology, microLED. The South Korean firm has already released microLED TVs, however the company is looking to bring micro-LED to smartwatches. In press release published earlier by Samsung Korea, the company said that Samsung Electronics is considering using micro-LED panels for smartwatches and signage displays in the future. A rumor claims that Samsung is planning to launch a Galaxy Watch Ultra model, similar to the Apple Watch Ultra, and it would be the company's first smartwatch to use a micro-LED screen. Even Apple is rumored to be working on an upcoming version of Apple Watch Ultra with a micro-LED screen. Such micro-LED screens offer OLED-like pure blacks and an almost infinite contrast ratio, while offering LCD-like or even higher brightness without suffering from pixel burning. This offers perfect display technology and excellent picture quality on smartwatches. Current generation Galaxy Watches have excellent picture quality and brightness, reaching as high as 2000 nits in the Galaxy Watch 6. If Samsung successfully implements micro-LED screens, we could see smartwatch displays reaching even higher peak brightness, completely eradicating sunlight's legibility issues. However, such micro-LED screens are also quite pricey. Samsung's micro-LED TVs are so costly that only a few people in the world can afford them right now. So it remains to be seen how costly Samsung's first Galaxy Watches with micro-LED screens turn out to be. The Galaxy SmartTag 2, which was announced a couple of weeks ago alongside the Galaxy S23 FE, is now on sale in a few countries. The new object location tracker brings several improvements, including a sleeker and tougher design, longer wireless range and longer battery life, and most of these improvements come from a new chip which has now been revealed. Some new videos shed light on the processor that is the brain behind the Galaxy SmartTag 2. The location tracker uses Atomzic's ATM33255 5LCA QK-SR chip, which has been developed for IoT devices. Atomzic is a US-based fabless semiconductor chip firm that makes chips for IoT, Internet of Things devices. The ATM33 series chip used inside the Galaxy SmartTag 2 is a system in a package with Bluetooth 5.3 LE connectivity and ARM Cortex M33F processor, 128KB RAM, 64KB ROM, 512KB non-volatile memory, and ARM Trust Zone security and integrated power management. It is designed to consume extremely low power. No wonder the Galaxy SmartTag 2's battery battery life has improved by 66% or 133% in power saving mode compared to the Galaxy SmartTag. A new teardown video of the Galaxy SmartTag 2 has been published on YouTube. It shows how small the location tracker actually is, given that half of the device's body is taken up by its ring. The other half includes the chips, the motherboard and the battery. The two halves of the body are glued together, while the CR2032 battery can be removed by inserting a pin in the pinhole. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please share it with your friends. See you in the next one. Good luck to all.